In the rapidly evolving world of portable gaming, few devices have made as much noise as the original ASUS ROG Ally. It was ASUS's bold answer to the growing handheld PC gaming trend led by the Steam Deck. With powerful specs, a sleek design, and a Windows-based ecosystem, the ROG Ally carved out its own loyal fanbase. But in 2025, ASUS has taken everything up a notch with the ROG Ally 2, a device that's not just a sequel, but a potential game-changer in the handheld market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore every leaked and confirmed detail about the ASUS ROG Ally 2, its specs, performance, design, display, battery life, OS, features, and how it stacks up against the competition. If you're a gamer, tech enthusiast, or someone on the fence about switching to handheld PC gaming, this is the device that could finally push you over the edge. Before diving into the ROG Ally 2, it's essential to understand why the handheld market is booming in the first place. Traditional gaming consoles like the Nintendo Switch revolutionized portable play, but PC gaming remained mostly confined to desktops or bulky laptops. Valve changed that with the Steam Deck, offering a full-blown Linux-based PC gaming experience on the go. ASUS responded with the ROG Ally, a sleeker, more powerful Windows handheld that supported virtually every launcher, from Steam to Xbox Game Pass. Fast forward to 2025, and the competition is fiercer than ever. We've seen upgraded Steam Deck models, Lenovo's Legion Go, and other Windows handhelds pushing boundaries. That's where ASUS ROG Ally 2 enters the arena, not just to compete, but to dominate. While ASUS hasn't made a full official announcement, several credible leaks from industry insiders and early teaser videos give us a strong idea of what to expect. And based on everything we know so far, the ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be the most refined and powerful handheld PC to date. The heart of the ROG Ally 2 will reportedly be AMD's Ryzen Z2 chip, a custom APU designed specifically for handhelds. This upgraded chip is expected to use Zen 4 CPU cores and RDNA 3.5 or RDNA 4 graphics architecture, offering significant performance gains over the Z1 Extreme used in the original Ally. Initial benchmarks suggest 30 to 40% GPU performance increase, better thermal efficiency, lower power draw, ideal for longer handheld sessions. ASUS is likely to offer two memory configurations, 16 GB for casual users and 32 GB for pro gamers or streamers. The use of LPDDR5X promises faster bandwidth and better multitasking. The ROG Ally 2 will reportedly feature a 7.5-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and full HD resolution, 1920 by 1080. Expect better contrast, deeper blacks, and superior battery efficiency. It's also expected to support HDR10 and Dolby Vision, offering a console-like visual experience. Just like its predecessor, storage won't be an issue. A 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD is expected to be the base configuration. And yes, it's user upgradable, a huge plus for PC gamers with large libraries. One of the biggest criticisms of the original ROG Ally was thermal throttling. ASUS is reportedly addressing that with a new zero-gravity